Hi! Welcome back to my channel. Are you looking for an Easter craft? Then here's a bouncy chick. And you can put your Easter eggs inside this basket. So if you'd like to make this craft, please keep on watching. Let's get creative, shall we? For this craft, we need cotton yarn, 2 pieces flexible plastic, pipe cleaner, craft paper, a cardboard strip, crepe paper, piece of felt paper, colorful feathers, beads, glue, and scissors. Let's get started. Let's begin by making a pattern for our pom-poms using this flexible plastic. I'll just follow the size of this lid, which is 7 centimeters in diameter. Cut a circle in the middle and fold the edges. Then make a smaller pattern for the head. While tucking in the edge of the peach yarn in the fold, start winding the yellow yarn around the pattern. This pom-pom is for the chick's body. Now this is around half an inch thick and it's fluffy enough for a pom-pom. Pull both edges of the peach yarn tightly and tie a knot. Then cut through the center of the looped yarn. Continue to tighten the grip as you cut through the yarn. Then make another knot to secure the pom-pom. You may now take out the pattern and give your pom-pom a trim. Using the smaller pattern, make another pom-pom for the head. Then glue the 2 pom-poms together. Make a half an inch square using the red felt paper. And fold into a small triangle and apply some glue on the side. Press each side to make a beak and trim the corners. For the eyes, let's stick the beads. And let's stick the beak. Let's make a small bow for the head. For the legs, take the pipe cleaner and cut into half. Fold into half and form it into a foot. And then wind the wire together. Glue the legs to the chick. Take the 2 other pipe cleaners and wind them together. Straighten it well and wind it on a glue or a pen to make a spring. Hold it firmly to make a bouncy spring. Then stick the spring behind the legs. For the basket, we need an 8-inch by 6-inch cardboard. Mark and trim each corner by half an inch. Fold each side and glue the corners. Then trim the excess paper. I'm using a shredder to make the nest, or you may also use scissors. This cardboard strip for the handle is about 20 inches, or you may use a shorter one. Then glue on each side to make a basket. We now apply some glue and stick the nest. Let's make a bow for the handle. You may also use a ribbon. We can now stick our chick in the basket. Let's put some glue on the spring and make sure that it's sticking on the cardboard. Arrange the chick and the nest properly. And for the finishing touches, let's add some colorful feathers. So now, here's our bouncing Easter chick in the basket. I hope you had fun making this craft with us today. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Goodbye! Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.